Hi friends, I'm so happy you're here. Today we're making perfect slices of Christmas, a Santa craft. We'll use easy things and go nice and slow. First, let's gather our supplies. A paper plate, red paper, cotton balls, a glue stick, googly eyes or stickers, a black crayon, and child-safe scissors. Grown-up, please help with scissors. You can also see helpful pictures and little videos on pexels.com. They're free to use and perfect for showing our steps. Ready? Hold up the paper plate like a big white circle. Circle. Now, let's draw a plus sign on it. One line down, one line across. That makes 4 slices. Like pizza. Grown up, please cut along the lines. Snip, snip, snip. Now we have 4 triangle slices. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each slice will be a little Santa. Let's make the red hat first. Cut a tiny red triangle for the top. Glue it to the pointy top of the slice. Tap, tap, tap. Now add a white cotton ball at the tip. Poof. Time for Santa's fluffy beard. Pull a cotton ball gently. So soft. Glue it along the bottom of the slice. Poofy beard. Eyes next. 2 googly eyes. 1, 2. Stick them on. Blink, blink. Draw a tiny smile with your crayon. Smile, Santa. Let's add a hat stripe. A little line of cotton right under the red hat. Squish, squish. Great job. Do the same for all 4 slices. Red hat, cotton stripe, googly eyes, smiley smile, fluffy beard. Now we have 4 Santa slices. Put them back together like a circle. Wow. It's a whole plate of Santa smiles. Let's count them once more. 1, 2, 3, 4 Santas. Clap, clap, clap. You did amazing, friend. Take a photo of your craft. You can look for cozy Christmas pictures and videos on pexels.com to decorate your screen too. Thank you for crafting with me. Happy, gentle holidays. Bye-bye.